Now it's going to be your turn to design a Youth Matter logo. You've designed some different sketches for them back in November. Now the contest is who can design the best sketch. That means that you're going to take your time in terms of drawing the best logo that you think you can come up with for Youth Matters. I'll have an example here, but let's first review the past logos that you have drawn. Points to remember: the geometric shape and name both need to be incorporated into the logo. The name of the company can be abbreviated YM. The geometric shapes should be simple and clearly identifiable. Incorporate contrast, such as a variety of thicknesses, or make one shape black and another. You are now tasked with designing your own logo. You're going to create 3 logos using the circle, the drop, and the badge. You can repeat the shape. You can place text inside the shape. The text can go next to the shape. Experiment with text repeating, and experiment with combining different shapes. Now remember, you're not going to be doing at the studio. Your example is going to be for Youth Matters. Welcome to At the Studio, and today we're going to be focusing on creating abstract logos by repeating our complex or simple shapes. Let's take a look. Shapes that you can use are, of course, the teardrop, the badge, our good friend the circle, and we have a few new tools. We have what we're calling the wing, which has one side curve. We have the leaf, which has 2 sides curved. And our good friend, the square. You can use any one of these shapes. You can repeat a shape 2 times for a logo, as we see here, or here, but you can also repeat multiple times, as in this example of 3, or you can even repeat in 4s. You can also invent your own shape for your logo, as I'm showing here. Here is an example of a final sketch where you can see the repeating of one of the simple shapes with the text, as well as the top here where you can see 3 shapes which are combined into one to complete a logo. Now it's time for you to be inspired by any of the past logo examples that you have drawn, or come up with your own logo for Youth Matters. But what has to happen, and what we're looking for in the contest, is a beautifully done logo. That means you might want to use a ruler. That might mean you want to shade in your logo or color it. You want to draw it so it is as crisp and clear with clean lines as can be. And remember, don't write your text, but draw your letters, much like you see in this example here, where we've incorporated nice clean shapes, shading, and the letters have been drawn, not written. Let's see who can have the best logo for Youth Matters. There will be prizes available.